Hello everyone. Today I will be sharing with you another video tutorial for QNAP Smart Networking products. For this video, I will be sharing with you how to set up a multiple SSID and create a firewall rule to segregate each AP communication line, where each AP will have its own users. This is especially important if you have a legacy device that will connect to older protocol, or a guest that will be using Wi-Fi temporarily for internet connection without giving them the access to the internal network. Before we go into the setup process, let me share with you 3 benefits of having a multiple SSIDs. First, it can secure main Wi-Fi password. Without giving the password to a guest at home or office, the main Wi-Fi and password will remain secure. Second, separate Wi-Fi network for guests. Since guests will only temporarily use the internet, there's no need to provide access to the internal network. Third, improve performance on main Wi-Fi. When you have a legacy device on 11B or 11G protocol and a newer device on 11N or 11AC protocol, it will degrade the performance of the newer devices. So having a separate SSID for legacy devices will improve the situation. Now that we have tackled the benefits of multiple SSIDs, and before we deep dive into the QHora settings, allow me to explain to you our topology. In this topology, we will create 3 SSIDs for different users. First is for the main SSID, which will have access to the QHora and the internal network. These are for employees and family members at home. Second is for the guest SSID. They will not have access to the QHora and the internal network. This is for visitors that temporarily use the Wi-Fi connection. Last is for the legacy devices. These are all devices that has no 11N or 11AC protocol. We will create a Wi-Fi for these legacy devices to connect so that newer Wi-Fi devices and legacy Wi-Fi devices do not share the same AP, as this will drag down the performance of the newer Wi-Fi clients. For the setup process, there are 3 steps. Step 1. Create a new VLAN ID for multiple SSID. Step 2. Enable 3 SSID network. Step 3. Create a firewall rule connection. For our QHora settings, we go to the GUI and then we go to the network and VLAN. We set up the VLAN first. By default, we already have 2 VLAN. VLAN 1, which is on 192.168.100.1. This will be used for the main AP. Then we have for the guest AP, which is on the VLAN 4094. And then we need to create another one. So in here, add VLAN, I created a VLAN 100 on 192.168.102.1, and I enable the DHCP server service. After we're done with the VLAN, we need to go to the wireless virtual access point. We need to create 3 AP. So by default, I disable the Smart Connect and then enable the 5G with the VLAN 1. So this will be used for my main AP. And then I have a legacy on 2.4G with the VLAN 100. Then on the guest wireless network, I enable the guest wireless network. And after that, we need to go to the firewall rule. I enable the firewall and I created 6 rules. The first 2 rules is to deny the TCP, UDP, and ICMP from the guest AP to the main AP. The third and fourth rule is to deny the TCP, UDP, ICMP from the guest AP to the legacy AP. And the 5th and 6th rule is to deny the TCP, UDP, and ICMP from the legacy to the main AP. Now we can verify our setup. This is my PC, which is connected on the main AP. So I have 100.104. I have other clients connected. In here you can see that client 101.101, which is connected on the guest, and 102.102, which is connected on the legacy AP. And then I also have a NAS on the 100.1 subnet. So we can verify first that I can first ping to the internet. Okay, then I can also ping to my NAS. However, I should not be able to ping to my guest AP or to my legacy AP. Okay. We can also verify from the other PC. I have a team viewer here. Here's my PC, which is connected on the guest AP. So you can see here 101.101. However, it can ping to the internet, but it won't be able to ping to the internal network. Like, for example, my PC on 101. Okay, so there you have it. It's easy and you can try it at home or at the office. It will help to keep your internal network more secure. It will also provide better performance by segregating legacy devices from newer clients. Since we're at the end of our video tutorial, if you guys want to know more about other video tutorials, please let us know. Thanks for listening. Take care and keep safe.